So I would just like to say that I really miss and I really love him and I will always forever. So just wish him the happy Valentine's Day.
Okay, it means that you have a long distance relationship,
Yeah.
right? Yes. What about you?
Same thing here.
Same.
That's why
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
Valentine's is not only for couples,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
For
yeah.
your friends, your
For
family,
friends,
and
yeah,
loved
yeah.
ones.
Yeah, that's cool.
So, what love is precious, kind, and it's patient. You have to be patient in love also.
Okay.
That's it.
How would you like to express your love towards your crush in this Valentine's Day?
I don't know. I didn't have crush also.
It's okay to express your love towards your
Oh,
loved
like
ones in this Valentine's Day.
Please excuse us. We're just best friends. Okay?
Oh, okay, okay.
Is it a prank or something?
No, it's not a prank, man. This is a
I thought
camera.
it's a prank.
friend is
So
dating him.
it's okay. Your future boyfriend.
I don't know. I don't know. I didn't have any plan now.
It means that you have no interest in
Yeah.
relationship, right? So it's okay, cool. It's better to stay alone, right? Nowadays. You are just a friend, right?
Yeah, we're just best
So,
friends.
are you guys single?
Yeah, I am single.
You are single. You also single. So,
Okay, let me take the flowers. Okay. Custody.
Yes.
Will you be my Valentine forever?
Yes, of course.
Will you marry me?
Yes, of course.
That's it. Thanks you.
that's it.
That's it.
Okay, it's a question for you. How would you like to express your feeling towards your crush in this Valentine's Day?
Where's my crush? I don't know, but I have some roses and sweets.
Okay, what about you?
I
brother?
don't ask me, man. I don't have any project.
So express your love towards your loved one in this Valentine's Day. Just tell from your heart, I didn't mean that you should tell.
Actually, we have a long distance relationship.
Long distance relationship. Okay, it's nice to hear that. And how was your love going on,
Well, almost 2 years now.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you say one simple word like for him?
I'll always love him and I'll wait for him till he comes to back home.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so I have one question for you.
What question?
Are you single?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, you are single. So here's another question.
What?
How would you express your love towards your crush in this Valentine's Day?
I don't have crush.
Okay, you don't have crush.
I don't like anyone. I love to be single. That's
Oh,
it.
you love to be single?
Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy single.
Oh, okay, even me, I'm single. I think it will be better you and me like to be in a relationship.
You deserve better.
Express your feeling towards your loved one in this Valentine's Day.
Here's my life.
He is your life. Anything more?
That's all.
That's all. Okay. What in this Valentine's Day?
I don't have any crush.
Okay, you didn't have any crush. What about for your future boyfriend?
Like,
Express your love towards your loved one in this Valentine's Day.
Nothing, just by caring.
And many more like. So, what do you want to say to her? What I mean, man, just express your love from the bottom of your heart. It doesn't come out. It doesn't mean that it should come from your mind. It should come from your heart.
I say to her every day. I love you.
Okay, you say every day.
Yeah, I say every day.
Okay, what about you? To him.
a little bit good in dance, so through dancing.
Okay, you are good in dance, so you want to impress him by your dance.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. It's cool, right, if you upload it on YouTube? Okay, you can check it out, Mon Vlogs. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for that. This is the short. So, how would you express it?
Like in words?
Yeah, from your heart, to to your love?
Okay, so my love here is not he's not in station. He's very far.
Okay.
So I'm really missing him
Okay.
today, but then he's not here. So I would just like to say that I really miss and I really love him, and I will always forever. So just wish him happy Valentine's Day.
Okay. It means that you have a long distance relationship,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So what about you?
Same thing here. That's why we both
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
Valentine's is not only for couples,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
For
yeah.
your friends,
It's
your
for
family,
friends.
and
Yeah,
loved
yeah.
ones. And
Yeah,
all.
that's cool.
So, what love is precious, kind, and it's patient. You have to be patient in love also. So
Okay.
that's it.
Okay, thank you so much for that.